Hello beautiful people, it's so good to see you again. I hope all of you are doing wonderfully well. I welcome you guys back to Virtuous Woman, and on this channel we learn about three things. One, we learn about how to grow and keep our natural hair in good shape. Two, we learn about food recipes, so if you love cooking like myself, then we are going to have fun in the kitchen. And lastly, we are going to learn about bead making, anything we can make with beads, like this beautiful hairpiece and earring I made in less than 20 minutes. All flower vase and many more. So if you've not subscribed to this channel yet, you don't want to miss this amazing journey we are going to have together. But today we are going to make the simplest fruit juice we can ever make with just 2 ingredients. So if you are ready, let's get started. So I'm going to use chilled watermelon. I just took it from the fridge. And then about 2 thumb size of ginger. First of all, I'm going to cut the ginger into smaller pieces and put them into the blender, and also do the same with the watermelon as well. And I'm going to blend everything until it's smooth and nice. These 2 ingredients have amazing benefits. Watermelon, for example, has a high water content which keeps the body hydrated. It also contains vitamins and minerals such as vitamin A and C, which is good for the skin and hair as well. Ginger has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and also appears to be highly effective against nausea. Personally, I like to remove the seeds, but if you don't mind, you can just leave the seeds and blend everything together. After it's fine and smooth, I'm just going to stop blending. And here you can either drink it straight away, or you can also strain it. I'm using a strainer that is not so fine because I don't want to end up removing all the fiber from the juice. I'm then going to transfer it into my glass, and I don't know about you, but I can't wait to finish this juice. So it's ready, and I'm just going to enjoy it with my rice and vegetable stew. You can enjoy this with any meal you want. But I also want to say that you can try this method because I've been doing that as well. You can try it with pineapple. Add pineapple to these 2 ingredients, and I'm telling you, you wouldn't like to buy any drink from outside again. Thanks y'all for your time. Please try this and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and share this video to your friends and family as well. Subscribe and click on the notification bell. Until then, have a nice weekend. Bye.